How do you feel, baby? Good?
Feel better?
You ready to go ride some motorcycles?
No, he's not riding nothing.
Huh?
Okay.
Yeah? Oh, wow. No? Do you hurt? No? Nothing hurts?
You sleepy? Yeah, you are. It's cold.
Oh. We're home.
Slowly, gentle. No,
We're home, sweetie.
You ready to get up?
Get out the car, baby. You ready? I think he's asleep with his eyes open.
Mom?
He is. He's asleep with his eyes open. Leave him alone. Levi, can you hear me? Hello? Sweet cheeks. Levi. Oh my God. He's asleep with his eyes open. Oh, he's going cross-eyed.